Hello and hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am from geekybum.com and today I am going to show you how you can set up your own server in clouds. Okay, so I am in Vulture and today I will be deploying a instance in Vulture, and then we will be setting up a limp or lamp, and we will install WordPress. Process will be same for Magento also, but today we will be installing WordPress, and I will make another video for Magento too. So as I was signing up here in Vulture, and as you can see, I have selected Vulture Cloud Compute, and I'm from Asia, India, so I am not able to find any Indian servers, so I am selecting Singapore. Okay, you can select as per your locations, go to all locations and you can find as per your country, select that, as this will reduce the latency to the server. Okay, so you must know that where are from your clients, and according to that select your server location. Okay, so I am going to choose Singapore. Okay, let it be, and yeah, 64-bit OS, CentOS. You can choose any operating system as per your wish, but we are going with CentOS. Okay, and yeah, we are going with $5 per month plan. In hour it will be charged 0.007, 25 GB SSD. Okay, 1 CPU, 1000 1 GB memory and 1000 GB bandwidth. Okay, so enable IPv6. Okay, and enable private networking. Now I have already given the server hostname name. Okay, and I am not here I have not inserted any SSH keys that is required to log into your server. Okay, you can add your public key here, but yeah, now let's deploy the server. Okay, okay, I need to refill it as I have filled this little bit earlier. Okay, no problem. Let's choose Singapore, CentOS. Okay, I have choose $5 per month plan. Okay, enable IPv6, enable private networking, host name. Okay, geekybum. Okay, deploy. Okay, so you can see that server added successfully, and you can earn some additional free credit. Okay, so the operating system is currently being installing, as you can see here, it is processing. So wait for the status to be installed completely. Okay, so you can see that the server is currently running in the status. Okay, so select the server. Okay, and you can restart the server, you can stop the server. Okay, let's click on this button and you can check the server details. Okay, let me show you the server details. Okay, this is CPU usage, this is bandwidth usage, this is current charges. Okay, location is Singapore. Here you can see the IP address, username, and here is the password to log into the system. You can click on this show password and you will be able to log into your server in the terminal. Okay, so let us go and log into the server. Here is the graph, settings. Okay, you can check the address, netmask, gateway, reverse DNS, everything is here. Snapshot, backups. Okay, so coming to the server, we are going to log in to this server, and we will be first installing virtual mean or cPanel, anyone, because cPanel it charges chargeable. Let me show you. Okay, this is chargeable. You can get free for 15 days as a trial, but I'm not going to install a trial version. Okay, we are going to install any free one. Okay, you can install like virtual mean, and you can find more in internet, but basically let me show you top free cPanels. Okay, VestaCP. I have heard quite about this one, so let's go and install today's VestaCP. Okay, there are a lot more like Froxplorer, speed config, jet panel, but I have heard about VestaPanel, and today we are going to install Vesta control panel on our cloud server. So okay, this is the website of Vesta's control panel, and okay, this is going to look like this. Okay, okay, so first of all, log into this server. So I opened my terminal. Okay, so for login to the server, you will have to SSH to the server. Okay, so SSH. Okay, port 22. Username is root, so root@IP address, that is 66.42.60.156. okay, and press enter. Okay, this is saying that the fingerprint of the system showing, and you need to verify that it is right or not, but basically this is right, so continue with yes. Okay, this key has been added, this fingerprint has been added. So now we need to enter the password. You can clearly see your password by clicking on this show password option. I am just going to copy this password. Okay, done, and now we are going to paste it here. Okay, and press enter. Okay, you can see that I am logging to my server, that is in Vulture server. Okay, so let's get started. So there is a root user, so first of all create another user. Okay, so user add. Okay, let me add a user with the name bum. Okay, click enter. Okay, the user has been added, and you can simply log in with set the password for the user bum. Okay, PASSWBBUM, enter. Okay, let me set it. Okay, so the net characters. Okay, so I will be setting. Okay, let's try once again. Password for the user bum. Okay, new password. It is asking for the new password. Okay, the username should not be contained. Okay, So for the user bum, I have created a password, set the password. Okay, now let's log in with the user and check that it is working or not. Okay, so simply you can type switch user, okay, dash, then the username and press enter, and you can see that I am logging with the username bum. Okay, so let's once again go to the root user. Okay, so this is our cloud server hosted on Vultr. So now basically we are going to install VestaCP panel. Okay, this is the cPanel that we are going to install right now on our cloud server. Okay, so basically control panels help us to install all the software, manage the server and the virtual server, that is the host. Like if you have a website with the name geekybum.com, so you can easily manage. So let's get us install this VestaCP panel in our server. So click on install. Okay, now we need to select you can see that CentOS is supported. Okay, these are the command to install. Okay, so okay, we have already SSH to our server. Okay, download this script. Okay, let's copy paste this command. Okay, this script has been downloaded. Let's check that out. LSA. Okay, here is the script that we need to execute in our server to install the VestaCP panel. Okay, so let's just run it. vst install.sh, enter. Okay, it is saying that the permission is denied. As let's check the permission for this file install.sh. okay, so executable permission is needed to execute this and install in our server. So I'm going to give this executing permission. Okay, so just type chmod. Okay, okay, so we need to give executable permission to this file. So I'm going to type change mode. Okay, then user, okay, plus s. Okay, this will give executable permission to the file vst. Okay, press enter. Now check the file. Okay, so now it has executing permission for the root user. Okay, here is the user. So now let's again, okay, press enter. Okay, you can see that the script has run and we are going to this is the Vesta message. Okay, the following software will be installed on your system: Nginx web server, okay, Apache web server as backend, okay, Bind DNS server, Exim mail server, Dovecot POP3 IMAP server, MariaDB database server, Web FTP server, okay, Software Plus plugin, okay, IP tables firewall and fail to ban. Okay, would you like to continue? Yes, just press enter. Please enter admin email address. Okay, you can give any. Okay, let me give admin@geekybum.com. okay, press enter. Please enter fqadn host name. Okay, fqdn host name, I don't know about this fqdn host name. Let me check. What is this? Okay, a fully qualified domain name is the complete domain name for a specific computer or host on the internet. Okay, so it should be geekybum.com. Okay, okay. The installation, backup directory installation will take about 15 minutes. Okay, the installation has been started. Okay, so you can see that the VestaCP panel has been installed. You can see the message, congratulations, you have just successfully installed Vesta control panel. Okay, and we can browse the control panel using this IP address and port, and this is the username and this is the password. On uploading this on YouTube, I will change the password. You better know why. Okay, so let's open this URL, copy link. Okay, go to Chrome browser. Okay, so paste it. Okay, as we don't have installed SSL certificate, that's why this is appearing. Don't worry, just click on advanced and proceed to. Okay, here this one is asking for the username, admin, and password. Password is this one, so just let me copy it. Okay, paste it and click on login. Okay, so we have logged into the VestaCP panel. Okay, adding this. Okay, so this is the control panel from where we can control our server, install virtual servers, okay, and much more. I am also using this C panel for the first time. Okay, okay, let's get started. Okay, so going on to the apps. Okay, we have already one in web you can see we have only one domain, that is geekybum.com. okay, so if you browse this IP address, okay, so there is text geekybum.com and this is saying that powered by Vesta, that is Vesta control panel. Okay, so we need to install any one of the CMS that we want, or you can host your own website. I'm going to install an CMS. Okay, that, so we will have to click on apps. Now you can clearly see this is Softaculous, using which by one clicking we can install any one of the CMS, okay, listed here. So I'm going to install WordPress. Okay, so click on WordPress. Okay, you can check out the version, that is 5.2. okay, so we can just click on install. Okay, this one is saying where you want to install, choose the domain. Okay, geekybum.com, let it be the same. Here we are going to change it to HTTPS. okay, because I want it to in HTTPS protocol. Okay, you can choose the site name, site description. Okay, let it be same. I'm not going to change it right now here. Okay, you can in WordPress, or if you have worked in WordPress earlier, you must know that WordPress works with the theme. You need to install a theme that you can later on change and make your website. Okay, choose your theme wisely, as according to the theme only you will have the option to change or modify your website. Okay, so if you choose any one of the theme, please be careful which theme you are selecting, because according to the theme your website will be looking. Okay, so we are going with the go host option. Okay, and advanced, you can see the database name. Okay, table prefix. Okay, database is WP3834. Okay, all these things you can see by SSH. When you will log into your server using SSH, you can easily find this in wp-config.php file. Okay, database name, username, password, everything is there. Okay, so this is my admin email. No, it should be changed. I don't want this email to be here. Okay, because if I need to reset the password, then this will create problem for me. Okay, let me check. Okay, admin pass. Okay, let it change. It should be hide. Okay, okay, done. My site name. Okay, giving hosting. Sorry, cloud hosting. Okay, site name. Sorry, description, we need to fill this cloud hosting, and here we can go Gikibum. Okay, done. Okay, everything is fine. Now we are going to select this theme, and as this one is selected. Okay, now click on install. Okay, so basically this is downloading WordPress in our virtual server, and this will automatically install the WordPress. Okay, you can see the progress window. Okay, I don't know what happened. The following errors were found. WordPress cannot be installed on the free version of Softaculous. Please notify your server admin to purchase premium version of Softaculous. Okay, so this one is not allowing us to install WordPress by one click. Okay, no problem, we can install it manually. Let's go to our server. Okay, and from there we will be installing on our own. Okay, let's just go back to the server.